Once upon a time, in the ancient Greek city of Samos, there lived a young boy named Pythagoras. From an early age, Pythagoras had a keen mind and an insatiable curiosity about the world around him. He would spend hours exploring nature, observing the stars, and pondering the mysteries of the universe. One day, while Pythagoras was taking a walk in the countryside, he came across a blacksmith's shop. Intrigued by the sounds of clanging hammers and the sight of molten metal, he decided to step inside. There he met the blacksmith, who was working on shaping a large metal triangle. Fascinated by the triangle's geometry, Pythagoras asked the blacksmith about its purpose. The blacksmith explained that it was called a right triangle and that it held a special secret within its angles and sides. Intrigued, Pythagoras asked the blacksmith to share this secret with him. The blacksmith smiled and said, "Pythagoras, the lengths of the sides of a right triangle are connected in a remarkable way. The square of the length of the hypotenuse, the side opposite the right angle, is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides." Pythagoras listened intently, his mind racing with possibilities. He realized that this relationship could have profound implications for geometry and mathematics. He spent days and nights contemplating the blacksmith's revelation, conducting experiments and exploring various triangles to test its validity. Finally, after much contemplation and rigorous testing, Pythagoras discovered that the blacksmith's statement held true for all right triangles. He formulated what would come to be known as the Pythagorean theorem. In a right triangle, the square of the length of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Excited by his discovery, Pythagoras eagerly shared his findings with other scholars and mathematicians. The Pythagorean theorem revolutionized the field of mathematics, opening up new avenues of exploration and understanding. Pythagoras went on to establish a school of philosophy and mathematics known as the Pythagorean school. He taught his students about the wonders of geometry, the harmony of numbers, and the beauty of the universe. The Pythagorean theorem became a cornerstone of their studies, forever etching Pythagoras's name in the annals of mathematical history.